Hello everybody, today we are at the Material Technology Workshop to introduce our rubber sheet products. Let's go! The red rubber sheet you see here is our Xinhai certified rubber product, produced through wet process technology. It offers high elasticity with a bounce back rate over 80%, high strength, excellent wear resistance, and resistance to acid and alkalis. Especially when hiding slurry abrasion, it shows outstanding performance, significantly extending the service life of equipment. It's highly praised by our customers. Our rubber sheets can be custom cut just like a fabric, tailored to fit different product structures. Paired with Xinhai adhesive components, they adhere firmly to all kinds of equipment. We can produce different types of rubber sheets according to customer needs, such as food-grade rubber, oil-resistance rubber, cut resistance, and impact resistance rubber sheets. Whatever your requirements are, we have got you covered. Feel free to reach out for inquiries or orders.